Today I'm going to show you how I make my carrot jollof rice with a little bit of twist. And yes, it tastes absolutely the same as our normal jollof rice. I mean Ghana jollof. Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, a warmly welcome to you. So without wasting much time, let's begin. To my pan, I'm adding in my clean and chopped carrot, onion, red bell peppers, garlic, ginger, and some scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam up. This should take about 15 minutes. Now our veggies are well tended. I'm going to transfer our mixture into my blender and blend it until it is nicely smooth. So you can choose not to steam, rather blend it right away and start to make your stew. But I prefer to steam my vegetables because I feel like it gives me a different taste, okay? To my hot pan, we'll add in some coconut oil, curry powder, and white pepper. This will give me a nice flavor, okay? Now this is optional. I'm going to go ahead to add in some ground beef. Next is to add in some sliced onion, okay? We'll fry them until they are nicely soft. Guys, remember we are not adding any tomatoes in this recipe, so we'll go ahead to add in my carrot and pepper mixture. We'll rinse it out, then pour it back in. We'll go ahead to mix everything together. Next, I'm adding in some green chili sauce for extra heat, but you can totally omit this one, okay? We'll go ahead to give it a stir and cover it and allow it to cook. But please continue to check it from time to time so that it doesn't burn. So I'm going to go ahead to add in a little more oil, some paprika, white pepper, Italian season, sage, and some salt. We'll continue to fry it on medium-low heat. Guys, please, I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, okay? So please do check it out. And also, I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. Guys, you know I love you and thank you so much for the love and support. God bless you. And to my new babes, you are at the right place and you are warmly welcome. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So what I will do next is to scoop some of the stew out because it's a little bit too much, okay? Next, we'll add in my washed rice. Now with the rice, I'm using long grain rice, but you can use any rice you have available. We'll give it a good mix until everything is properly combined. And guys, also remember your gas should remain on medium-low heat. So this is my little twist. I'm going to go ahead to add in some soy sauce, okay? That will give me the jollof color I'm going for, okay? But it is totally optional. You can just omit it. And also, anytime you're making jollof, right? And your stew is not enough, you can always add in your soy sauce. That will also give you the color, okay? Next, I went ahead to add in my hot water. We'll give it a quick mix, then cover it with my parchment paper so that it can start cooking. So the parchment paper will help to seal in the steam for the rice to cook without adding in too much water, okay? After 15 minutes later, I came back to check on the rice and it's looking good already. Okay, I'm going to give it a quick mix, then we'll cover it and allow it to cook for additional 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 minutes, look at that. It looks so amazing and my kitchen smells good. So at this point, I'm going to add in my garnishing, okay, which is carrots and some onions. We'll cover it and let it cook for additional 3 minutes. And we will be ready to enjoy this yumminess. Alright guys, our carrot jollof rice is ready to serve. It came out so perfect and very delicious. And guys, guess what? I'm going to pair this jollof rice with some coleslaw bee. If you try this recipe, I tell you, your family will love you forever. Thank you for joining me today in my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.